the state's money. But I am too ambitious for me to just sit here every month and not bring big events. I brought Live Golf. What I did this weekend in Trafalgar Square, I put that thing together with my team. My team put that thing together, let me tell you, was Auntie Pet was Auntie Pet and Lamula's people. So my family don't travel on the state, and they have never, and they will never, my family will never use the money of the state to travel. They have their own money. I can't be a sports minister and Bafana play and accept UBTV. You know, I was sitting with Patrice Motsepe, and all the next to me was the premier of Mexico, like the premier and whatever, and the ministers were sitting there. That was amper lelik geworden. When the goal went in, everybody clapped like this, like a princess. Here with the hands. I'm holding my phone, so I can't really show you. But kept like this. Me, I started dancing. That is me. I'm a person full of passion. You see, then I'd rather come back to running the PA full time, every day, where I can be who I want to be. If you want me to be somebody, I'm not. I am not the person. I carry my heart on my shoulder. I love this country. I will do for this country, but you're not going to insult me like I don't know about planes. That one I can never stand. You're not going to insult me like I'm doing this job. I love this traveling. I've never traveled. If you can just go back to check my travel history. I'm not going to be these ministers that say nothing when you guys are swearing them, insulting them, like they're coming from absolute poverty. They've never had these things. Because that's how you insult ministers. I see how ministers get insulted. Ek speel. Ek is die tipe nie. Ek ken lewe massacre. And some of these ministers, they're doing this job because they love it. But every day, you guys insult them. You're eating our tax money. Like you are paying tax alone. You think we don't pay tax? You think my people don't pay tax? I work day and night for my country. But I see how ministers get insulted every day. Yes, this and this and this and this. I pay tax also. Patriots pay tax. So every day ministers must hear how they waste tax money. Ministers get sworn at. Ministers get this. How the day you are with us in government, but yeah, nine man. You are also there. You fly with your families. Ek sien julle mos op die airport when we are flying. When you see my family dead, you must know they paid for them. Show me how many family members you guys have flown with. Why do you want to separate yourself from the GNU? You are part of us. What ANC ministers benefit, DA ministers benefit the same. The one minister says, oh no, I will not going to drive people. I'm not going to drive people off the road. I'm not going to use my blue lights. Ek dink, Here. I'm the only person in that whole parliament that don't use medical aid of the state. EFF came in, they said they will never use the medical aid of the state. I'm like, wow, that's great. The only one there don't use the medical of the state. Doesn't make me better. It doesn't make me better. But if you look for a minister, then I'm your wrong minister, honestly. If you look for a minister that will not say something when you insult them. I see these ministers work very hard, let me tell you. I see them. I see how hard they work. And sometimes they get let down by their own staff. Now you see, there's a pattern. You started with Fadil. You wanted to finish Fadil before the election. Now you're coming to me. You'll spiel. I can see the pattern. The DA, let me tell you the most important one. When I was a cleaner in prison, I would make jokes there. I would make jokes. People were laughing. The head of the prison will come like, wanneer werk julle as hulle so lag? Then he's like, come tell me that joke you just told him now. Satlai, he'll be like, come tell me that joke because I saw you were making them laugh here. Then he will steal my joke and tell the staff members outside in the meetings, they'll hear my joke being told there. I'm just a happy person. So I was a happy person when I was a cleaner in jail. Why will I not be a happy person when I'm a cabinet minister? Now you want to tell me how to do my job. The Cape Flats does not have stairs. But they sent back 800 million rand. They said, we don't need this money. There's nothing we can use this money on. We don't know how to use this money. That's Summers. He sent back 800 million. 800 million. Now they want to talk about 31 million that I've spent. Our job is to spend. I work hard. I get compliments. You know, there's a bank which I will not name. They called me when I was now in the UK. They said, Minister, we just want to host you for lunch. One of the world's biggest banks. I want to say to you, what you do for our country. Thank you. We are South Africans. We work at this big bank. I went with Charles and I went with the Chief of Staff. And I also went with the Deputy High Commissioner, the Dinel. They said, this lunch is just to say thank you to you. We work with international finance. We can see how hard you guys work there.